Here's a certified 2021 Mazda 3 sedan. Engaging, exhilarating, the Mazda 3 exceeds expectations every day, every drive. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, smart device remote engine start, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, four-wheel drive, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. With Mazda, driving is what matters most. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.